the flag is up. We're coming down onto the
get decisions in
the
seconds.
flag is still up. We'll wait for it to drop, and it's dropped. It's dropped. They go 3 wide around the Colby's top turn right. Dub Daly is the winner of that. Oh my God. How was that, Mum? Oh, old Brent Lewis had a wild ride. I tell you what, talk about take your wood to the threshold of fun. In the turn it up grass. How do we make that, we